Alright, so I'm making another beef stew in my Instant Pot, and instead of Worcestershire sauce, I'm using this wine vinegar. And this is a crazy story, but I'm one of the co-founders of a homebrew club, virtual homebrew club, and one of the guys in the club lost a carboy of red wine in his basement for 17 years. And as coincidence had it, when he discovered it and tried it, it made really, really awesome wine vinegar. 17-year-old wine vinegar. I've had this for close to 5 years now, so it's about 23 years old now. And as you see, he gave me a whole gallon, so about 4 liters, and I've used about 2/3 of it. I use it sparingly, using it in my beef stew right now in the Instant Pot. This stuff is just amazing. It's like one of the most fortunate coincidences I've ever been able to take advantage of.